Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 42 and teach you how to use to and either. So am I and neither do I in our day-to-day life. For example, I am happy too. I am not happy either. I am happy. So am I. I am not happy. Neither am I. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 42. To, either, so am I, neither do I, etc. Section A. To and either. I am happy. I am happy too. I am not happy. I am not happy either. We use to and either at the end of a sentence. We use to after a positive verb. A. I am happy. B. I am happy too. A. I enjoyed the film. B. I enjoyed it too. Jane is a doctor. Her husband is a doctor too. We use either after a negative verb. A. I am not happy. B. I am not happy either. A. I can't cook. B. I can't either. Ben doesn't watch TV. He doesn't read newspapers either. Section B. So am I, neither do I, etc. I am happy. So am I. I am not happy. Neither am I. So am I. It means I am too. So have I. It means I have too, etc. A. I am working. B. So am I. It means I am working too. A. I was late for work today. B. So was Sam. A. I work in a bank. B. So do I. A. We went to the cinema last night. B. Did you? So did we. A. I would like to go to Australia. B. So would I. Neither am I. It means I am not either. Neither can I. It means I can't either, etc. A. I haven't got a key. B. Neither have I. It means I haven't either. A. Kate can't cook. B. Neither can Tom. A. I won't be here tomorrow. B. Neither will I. A. I never go to the cinema. B. Neither do I. We can also use nor. Nor means neither. A. I am not married. B. Nor am I, or neither am I. One thing we should remember, it is so am I, not so I am. It is neither have I, not neither I have. Now it's time for exercises. 42.1. Write to or either. Number 1. I am happy. I am happy too. Number 2. I am not hungry. I am not hungry either. Number 3. I am going out. I am going out too. Number 4. It rained on Saturday. It rained on Sunday too. Number 5. Rachel can't drive a car. She can't ride a bike either. Number 6. I don't like shopping. I don't like shopping either. Number 7. Emma's mother is a teacher. Her father is a teacher too. 42.2. Answer with so am I, so do I, so can I, etc. Number 1. I went to bed late last night. So did I. Number 2. I am thirsty. So am I. Number 3. I have just eaten. So have I. Number 4. I need a holiday. So do I. Number 5. I'll be late tomorrow. So will I. Number 6. I was very tired this morning. So was I. In second part, answer with neither I. Number 7. I can't go to the party. Neither can I. Number 8. I didn't phone Alex last night. Neither did I. Number 9. I haven't got any money. Neither have I. Number 10. I am not going out tomorrow. Neither am I. Number 11. I don't know what to do. Neither do I. 42.3. You are talking to Maria. Write sentences about yourself. Where possible, use so I or neither I. Look at these examples carefully. I am tired today. You can answer so am I or I am not. I don't work hard. You can answer neither do I or I do. Number 1. I am learning English. So am I. Number 2. I can ride a bike. So can I. Or I can't. Number 3. I am not American. Neither am I. Or I am. Number 4. I like cooking. So do I. Or I don't. Number 5. I don't like cold weather. Neither do I. Or I do. Number 6. I slept well last night. So did I. Or I did not. Number 7. I have never run a marathon. So have I. Or I haven't. Number 8. I don't use my phone much. Neither do I. Or I do. Number 9. I am going out tomorrow evening. So am I. Or I am not. Number 10. I haven't been to Scotland. Neither have I. Or I have. Number 11. I didn't watch TV last night. Neither did I. Or I did. Number 12. I go to the cinema a lot. So do I. Or I don't. This is the end of unit number 42. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 43. Till then, bye bye.